Hi, my name is Lucía.
Yo soy Agustin.
And welcome to our,
914 square feet
apartment here in Rosario, Argentina. This used to be my grandparents' home. What we really want is to feel that this is our own space and we were not living in somewhere else's home. This was used to have wallpapers that were dark and old, so start painting all white to feel brighter and to feel that the space is new, and start putting objects that fill the space with memories, with our memories. Our style is botanic. We have plants all over our rooms, and I think they have their own personality as we have. And also I think our style is colorful. We love colors to make it a happier place.
Nos gusta sentir cuando llegamos a nuestra casa felicidad, sentirnos en hogar, en algo acogedor.
That our home like hug us. When you enter the living room, you can see we have a shelf with different items that remember the most beautiful moments in our lives, like a corner of memories. And then we have two arch paintings and a mural, and this is the colors of our home.
Es una genia del color.
And our favorite part of the living room is that it has a beautiful view through the balcony, where we enjoy spending time, mostly at night, seeing the stars. It's our favorite part of our home. Our kitchen is our best transformation.
Que era al ser un espacio chico, angosto, con una sola entrada de luz, bueno, mueble oscuro.
It was like awful. We spent like 4 complete days painting the kitchen. We decided to use color in the lower cabinets to make it more cheerful. Our bedroom is the most modern room. We decided to put wallpapers in our wardrobe doors. They were too dark, and we also create the headboard. We use wood and textile materials to make it cozy. We try to make it warmer than the rest of our home. When you walk into our home, the first thing you see is a Marie Kondo quote that says, "Nuestra casa debería mostrar de dónde venimos, quiénes somos y a dónde queremos llegar." In English, should be, the space in which we live should be for the person we are becoming now, not for the person we were in the past. We used to work in large industries and have very stressful jobs. We always want to start a new project that allowed us making something that fill our hearts. So when quarantine hits, we thought that it was the correct time to start developing these ideas and making them coming to life. We start designing, creating, and thinking about pieces of furniture that can help people living better and finding colors that bring life and joy to their everydays. Agustin, that is a graphic designer, put in the computer all this design. I start thinking about colors and making the marketing and branding. We pick steel because Agustin works a lot of time in steel industry. Our home transformed into a little factory. We really work hard to make it work. It's Proyecto Pasillo Tienda, that is our store, really came to life. And finally, we can quit our jobs and decide to live, achieving our dreams. and making our dreams come true, and that's truly happened because being here is a dream come true, and this home make it happen. I'm sorry.